Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to pair your headphones REALME Buds T110 with your Android device. You have to start by open settings. Now go to connected devices, then click pair new device and open the case. Now it should enter to pairing mode automatically, but if it doesn't, just press and hold on the touch areas on both of your earbuds for at least 5 seconds. And here we go, we just did it, so click on it, pair, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!